I have a GoPro Hero 8 Black here. I'm going to show you how to turn it on and off. Okay, first thing is with the shutter button. If you want to quickly start recording a video, just tap on the shutter button right here one time. It's going to automatically turn on, and it's automatically recording a video. As you can see, the seconds right there. And to turn it off, if you go ahead and just shut off the video while it's recording, it's going to stop the video, and it's also going to turn off the GoPro. Okay, now the other way to turn it on is simply going to your mode or power button here on the left side here, and simply just tap it once. You don't have to press and hold it, just tap it once. Give it a second, and it's going to go ahead and automatically start up just like that. And now you can go ahead and shoot your video or whatever you want to do. If you wanted to switch modes, what you can do is you can press the mode/power button here. Just press it once, and this will switch modes, okay? Photo, video, time lapse. Now the thing is, if you want to turn it off, what you do is you press and hold, okay, instead of just tapping. So press and hold the power/mode. And for like 3 seconds, and you hear the beep, and then you can just go ahead and let go. Hear the beep or see the red dot flashing, then you can just let go. And pretty simple.